Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Mobioffice account. So if you also want to log in Mobioffice account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Mobioffice is a powerful office pack with which you can create, edit, comment, format, convert and protect documents, spreadsheets and presentations. So if you also want to log into your Mobioffice account, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Mobioffice application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Mobioffice application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to log into your account, first of all, what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. At top, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. You'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to sign in with Google, Facebook, Apple, email or phone. If you want to sign in with email or phone, simply tap on the option email or phone. After that, you'll be led to the sign-in interface of Mobioffice. Due to privacy and security reason, this interface will not be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. Over here, what you have to do is enter your email or phone. Simply enter the email or phone in the email or phone field. After that, what you have to do is enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, you'll also be able to find the option for forgot password. If you tap on it, you'll be able to reset it. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged into your Mobioffice account. So that is how you log in Mobioffice account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.